Mosquitoes everywhere, holy crap. What's going on, guys? Welcome. So this is the alien house, an abandoned location out in the middle of nowhere. I'm not going to say where it is. I want to respect this place. There's an abandoned tree house here. There is a whole bunch of small little things here to poke around in, and I want you guys to come with me. So without further ado, let's get on with it. All right, so it looks like this is the garage. If my camera starts shaking, well, it's because the mosquito is trying to bite me. There's so many. But holy crap. All right, let's do this. I know there's mosquitoes everywhere, huh? There's a little staircase down here. Maybe the mosquitoes won't get us down in this basement. Holy crap, you can hear the rain. A whole bunch of wood piles over here. I know you guys don't really care about that, so let's just go upstairs. Ready? All right. I am currently with my friend Annie right now. All right. It leads to a tree house? Oh man. Holy crap. This is crazy. I gotta watch my step though. Guys, this place is wild. Holy crap. Take a look at this. Holy. Isn't that such a weird structure? Wow. And that's where we just came out of. An abandoned tree house I never thought I'd see today. Holy crap. What if I just fall? Yeah, this is a tree house. So this place is nicknamed the Alien House. We don't know why, but the architecture on this, the design, is so interesting. I want to explore everything here, and I want to provide you guys some value with this video. Something so ominous about this, mysterious. I don't know, just something about it. There's even, I'm gonna show you guys this. Hold on, look at this. Oh, I didn't even notice there was a freaking kitchen. Who lived here? Holy crap. There's a freaking kitchen in here. It's a straight up kitchen. You can see the other building over there. I'm gonna climb the ladder to the attic, if it's even an attic. You can see the old brush broom and outlet. This was a gas stove, of course. Little cubbies over here. All right. Oh God, it's so wet. Holy crap. Here we go. Hopefully I don't hit my head. I don't want to hit my head. Oh, this is awesome. Holy crap. Look at this. Smashed up window, of course. I can get through here. Oh my God, this is so dangerous. Holy crap. I am very lucky to not be afraid of heights right now. Holy crap. Kind of far up. Yeah, so there's the tree house. Wow. So we just exited that building right there. We are now going to this one. Let's get started. All right, there's the staircase. Let's go up it. Oh, okay, foliage in the way. Let's skip that, go underneath, duck. Holy crap. All right, we're here. It smells. There's a fridge right here. Interesting enough. I mean, oh shit, a little jacuzzi. We got a little jacuzzi over here. Holy crap, little hot tub. That's awesome. Little machines over here. So hear me out, okay. If you guys know what this is, let me know down in the comments below. And let me know if I miss anything in this video that may look interesting to you. and comment what you think, seriously. So there's sofas over here. We got, looks like an exit over here. Circuitry on this box. Looks like it was a television at one point. Yeah. A stool. An abandoned chair. And then there's a whole bunch of newspapers here. Maybe it'll give you guys some hints on where this location's at. I already see a hint, so if you guys see the hint, you might be able to find this place on your own. All right. This is the kitchen. They're coming for you. Looks like we got a dishwasher over here. Espresso. We got a little sink, an abandoned sink. We also have an abandoned oven here. That's pretty cool. Gas stove, of course, an abandoned pan. Why did I touch that? There we are. Look at this little design on his counter. Nice and purple, nice and lavender. And we got a clown. I did not draw that. I despise graffiti. And we have little logos over here if you guys want to see this. If you guys want to pause and look at these. So I made a mistake. Hear me out. I did not research this location before coming here, and I should have. So if I find anything interesting about this location that I think you might find interesting as well, I'll put it right here. I'll put it right here. Let's go up the staircase. We got a big hole over here, and we also have the purple staircase. They're always watching. Interesting. All right. Oh my God, this is like this just reminds me of a treehouse. Look at this. Natural lighting coming from the skylights. All right, here we are. Oh, now this is a perfect hangout spot. I'll tell you what. Holy crap, I didn't know that there was a loft. Jeez, you can see the refrigerator from an aerial view. All the foliage coming in. Big giant bay window. Got a little hangout spot up here, a little counter. Broken glass, of course. More random pieces of paper. I mean, yeah, there's also another staircase here. I did not expect that. Holy crap. This place is awesome. This is like a perfect hangout spot, like a perfect tree house. All right, let's go up here. What the heck? This looks like a ship door. You know those like submarine doors, or like if you're in a vessel? That's what this door reminds me of. Little ladder over here. This looks so dangerous. Holy crap, imagine stepping on this. But look, it leads to the outside too. Isn't that interesting? There's also a deck out there. And you can see where I came from over there, with the treehouse being over there. Hi. Looks like there's a way up over here actually, but I'm not going up there. There's no way I'm able to with this kind of ladder. I'm tall, but I'm not that tall. Oh, damn. Yeah, you can actually hang out right here. That's awesome. You can see the exterior. This is the exterior. We are out in the middle of the woods. Holy crap. There's so many mosquitoes. Like I said earlier, they're attacking us. To my returning viewers, thank you so much for voting for this place. I love when you guys communicate with me because it helps me know what you guys like, what you guys want from this channel. And this channel is meant for you guys to be, I mean, you guys are part of my team. I count you guys as my paranormal team, my audience, you. And I appreciate all of you new and returning viewers watching this video right now. I cannot have done this location without you guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time, okay? So the next upload is going to be a reaction video. So if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment. do the thing, like the video. Or if you're new, subscribe. Subscribe. You don't have to. Don't do it. No, don't do it.